Hello guys, I'm Spicy Bill. Welcome back to another custom third-party or aftermarket review. So if you're not a fan of third-party products or aftermarket products, please turn off the video at this point. Anyway, today I'm going to be talking about some aftermarket accessories for hot toy figures. So yeah, I actually got these pairs of boots off eBay. Basically, they kind of look like Black Widow's Infinity War and Civil War style boots. I can confirm that these are not the same. This isn't like an actual hot toy product where they just cut the boot into two separate pieces. This is a completely third-party product. Yeah. And how do I know that? Well, we're gonna find out very soon once I take off those boots on the Infinity War Black Widow figure. So I already sold this figure to my friend. Basically, I did some minor modification. I put some hair gel on the hair. Also gave her a very small haircut. I think the head sculpt would, if you just do a little bit, kind of fix the hair a little bit, I think the figure does look significantly better. But yeah, that's all I have to say about it. I'm still not really a big fan of this particular version of Black Widow, to be honest with you. But anyway, let's go ahead and get her off the stand here and get her upgraded. So obviously, you guys know the boots on the Infinity War Black Widow has like no articulation whatsoever. So yeah, it's this is why I decided to get this one instead. It looks like it's basically they took the same mold and then they recast it, so you can see that the detail isn't really as sharp as the Hot Toys version. You can see the soles are very different. Also, you can see the Hot Toys version is a lot more detailed. Obviously, this one is, I think, it's just a straight up remold with some modifications. You can also see the back here, with the back of the where this section is. It's this one. It's the genuine one. It's a lot more detailed. So yeah. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and remove the boots. I'm gonna do this off camera because hopefully, I have never taken the boots off before, so I'm a little skeptical. Okay, so we got that off. That's not too bad. Obviously, unfortunately, it looks like the boots can't even, whoa, okay, it can stand on its own. So let's go ahead and put the aftermarket parts on here, assuming if it will fit. So it looks like I'm having some issue getting it to fit. Yeah, you can see that you can get it in there if you force it, but it's probably not a good idea. Yeah, since this is someone else's figure, I might have to experiment with another figure. But either way, let's see if this thing fits. And the shoe does fit. So I guess if you want to have her wearing sneakers instead of boots, that will work, and this will definitely improve the articulation. Although that ball peg isn't really sitting in there properly though. It looks like it kind of want to come off. Can she stand with it? Let's see. Yeah, you can see this ball peg here doesn't quite fit in there properly. It comes very loose very easily. So yeah, let's go ahead and do that again. I think I didn't catch that on camera the first time. But you can see it works, and she can stand with it. So, yeah, I guess it kind of works. However, getting this part to fit over the feet, you might have to heat it up a little bit just to get it to go in there. Maybe, let me try that again. I'm not ready to call it quits on it yet. So yeah, it's a very tight fit. It's you can force it, but you might compromise the structural integrity of her outfit. And well, this being a Hot Toys figure, I kind of don't want to mess with that. So, oh, I'm using the wrong piece. Okay, let's try it with the right one. It says R right here for right. You can see that. Okay, let's try that again. It's not going in there. And her Glock just came off. So, yeah, I'm sure you can get the in there if you just, fiddle around with it a little bit. But since I already saw this figure, I don't think I want to mess with it too much. I'm keeping these extra pieces for custom. So, yeah, I'm gonna make my own custom Black Widow figure without paying $300 for it. But either way, yeah. Surprisingly, this figure, despite not being very popular, it turned out a lot of people have quick fixes for the hair. And once you fix the hair, the figure itself isn't terrible. There's actually quite a few people on Instagram already making custom hair pieces for this particular version of Black Widow, and it looks very promising. So, with that being said, I think that's time to end this video. So obviously we got quite a few options here for this version of the Infinity War Black Widow, and yeah, that is pretty much that. Hope you guys find the information helpful. Thanks for watching.